Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to back up your Google Photos to an external hard drive. Let's get started. There are two ways to back up your photos. The first method is manual. Go to photos.google.com and log into your account. Hover over a photo and a checkbox appears in the top left corner. Click it to select the photo. At the top right, click the More Options menu and select Download. If you want to select multiple photos quickly, hold Shift and click the last photo in Arrange. All photos in between will be highlighted automatically. Then click Download. Once your photos are downloaded, open the folder where they're saved. Simply copy or drag these photos into your external hard drive, and that's it for the manual method. The second method is easier for large backups. Go to your Google account by clicking your profile photo and selecting Manage your Google account. On the left, go to Data and Privacy. Scroll down to Download or Delete your data and select Download your data. This will redirect you to Google Takeout, where you can select what to export. In Google Takeout, click Deselect All first. Then scroll down or use Ctrl F to search for photos. Select the Photos option and choose your preferred file format. After selecting everything, scroll to the bottom and click Next Step. Here, choose how you want to receive your files. You can get a download link via email or schedule recurring exports every few months. Finally, click Create Export. Google will prepare your photos and notify you via email when the export is ready. Once ready, download the exported files and transfer them to your external hard drive, just like the manual method. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Google Photos to an external hard drive. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out our next video.